All right, good morning, students. So this is the Turnitin.screen, and at the beginning of the trimester, you guys set up an account with Turnitin.com. If for whatever reason you're having issues finding your login, I would go to your preferences folder on your computer, see if you can find the information. If you absolutely need to, you can go ahead and create a new account and make sure that you go back to the week 1 daily agenda to look at how to get that set up and Turnitin. But most of you are in, should not be a problem. So when you get inside Turnitin.com, you're going to click on the class name. So you see at the top here, you've got your classes listed. You might have another class. Make sure you click on English 3B and you see that it's that I'm your instructor. So inside of English 3B today, you should see 2 different assignments. The first is the first draft, and this is the current one that's currently live. And you're going to be submitting your paper before class on Wednesday. Okay, so you're just going to click the submit button. Your name should appear at the top. I would like you to call this Their Eyes Were Watching God First Draft or Rough Draft. Okay, and then you're just going to click on the file itself from your computer, from Google Drive. So you're going to click on your file. I'm just going to pick up a file that I have on my desktop here. Hold on one second. Okay, so I'm just going to pick up file that's here and click open. Okay, make sure that it is the correct file, and I would check that before you upload and then choose upload. Okay, so this is your first draft, which should be typed out according to MLA format. Double spaced, all of that stuff. And you can see this is not the correct one. But just to show you how it's done, you're going to click confirm. Okay, and then you should see a message that says your submission is complete. This is your digital receipt. Okay, and then I will see your paper. Okay, so if I go back here, it no longer is an active blue button, but you can click view to see the preview of the document that you uploaded, and that's all there is to it. Okay, on Wednesday morning, you're going to be completing a peer edit. Okay, so you are going to be writing a review for one other student. You're also going to be required to do a self-review, and then once the reviews are done, you can click on this button here to read the review that your peer has done for you. I hope this is helpful. Have a great day.